Coming from a family of night owls, staying up late is in my blood. My dad is the fire chief and an EMT. He would hear the piercing tones from the scanner that dispatched our fire company at any hour of the day, night, or early morning, and would respond to the call of his people. Sometimes when I couldn't sleep, I'd hear him come home in the middle of the night, and I'd find him sitting in the living room hours later. Sometimes I'd venture out from my room and ask him why he was still awake, and he would tell me, "Well, kiddo, sometimes you just can't win them all." And for as long as I could remember, my mom, who is an ER nurse, worked the night shift, pulling 12-hour shifts 3 times or more a week, where she would be gone by the time I got up for school and be sleeping by the time I got home. It was the weekends that she didn't have to work that I looked forward to the most, because I got to be with her for a full day instead of the usual few waking hours she had between working long shifts. She always stayed up late. Her circadian rhythm kept her at the hospital even when she was home, so at some indistinguishable point in my life, I adjusted to this schedule and became a night person as well. This followed me into middle school and high school, where bedtime switched from "lights out, good night," to "be in bed by 11," to "it's 2 a.m., don't you think it's time to sleep?" But night had become a place of solace for me. It reminded me of 3 a.m. conversations with my mother, of pulling all-nighters with friends, and of binge-watching Bob's Burgers with my sister. Anything can happen at night, and sometimes you might just find yourself in a hot tub at midnight, when it's 30 degrees out with frozen hair and chilled noses, talking about whether or not there's life somewhere other than Earth. Night was made for long talks, stupid jokes, and midnight Dunkin' Donut runs just because Mom mentioned an eclair. It was made for watching movies, reading stories, and last-minute homework that you totally forgot to do earlier that day. It was made for parties with friends, midnight laser tag, and Star Wars marathons. I believe in staying up late, and that everything good happens after midnight.